Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 12 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone, slide up to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it and release. Here it will send you in MIUI recovery. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, here go to wipe data. Here go to wipe data and confirm. And you can see wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm. So you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. As you can see, wiping data. Please wait. And as you can see, data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot to system. And guys, after a hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset, when it asks for password, use Google account instead to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset a Redmi 12 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.